Take a look at that beauty. I'm calling this my California spring garden. Why California? Well, look at the colors. They're nice and hot. And a lot of the times, even though California has many different gardening zones, we think of a hot climate, a dry climate. But spring has come, and you can tell by the beautiful daffodils that I have in this container. Our centerpiece is the California poppy. Did you know that this is the state flower? So cool. Any spring garden needs to have the California poppy, but I like to put it in a container rather than plant it in the ground because they can be a little friendly and invasive. They want to propagate. Can you blame them? They're so beautiful. And then take a look at this. This is a gorgeous flowering succulent. This is a spring cactus. Some people call it the Easter cactus, and it comes in so many different colors. Look at that. Here in the foreground, you see this beautiful tufty perennial. It's called Armeria, and I like it because it adds a lot of texture to your container garden. And then you also have this beautiful, billowy, puffy flower, and it comes in whites, pinks, magenta. And you know what? Even after the flower color fades, I like this buff color. I think it adds pretty texture. California in the spring? Absolutely. Of course, we're going to have succulents. Succulents, we need them. Drought tolerant. And you may be thinking of tulips being a spring garden, but not in California. I love this collection, especially if you have succulents in your yard. You want to make a container for spring that honors your succulents. Bring them into the design. Take a look at this. Some more Armeria. So when you put it all together, you have a beautiful collection of spring flowering plants. And what I do is I put it in a low planter like this. It looks great on a table, and it's portable. So if you need some color in another part of your garden, just pick it up and take it. It's a complete self-contained garden. Look at that. So many details. And don't forget the moss. It covers up the dirt because nobody wants to see your dirt. For tips like this, follow me, Shirley Bovshow, known as Eden Maker and the Foodie Gardener. See you soon.